Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm super excited to be sharing with you all my guest bedroom makeover. I'll be sharing easy and affordable tips to make your dream bedroom. If you love these type of videos, let me know in the comments and give this video a thumbs up so I know to keep them coming. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Linda and I would love to have you part of my YouTube family. All you have to do is subscribe and hit the bell notification so you can be notified when I upload my next video. So starting off, I went ahead and made the bed. For me, making it as soon as we wake up is a starter to my day. Seeing a beautiful made bed makes it hard to want to lay on it throughout the day and it helps me stay productive. If you've been working all day, coming home from a trip, or have guests coming over, it's always a great and welcoming feeling coming home to a cozy and made bed. Here I changed the nightstand table lamps because the newer ones are taller and slimmer. A tip I can give you is shopping your home. These were actually in my baby's nursery, but I never used them, so I placed them here to give this space an updated refresh. I really like to shop my home before going out to buy new things to fill up a space that I want to update, so I had this bench downstairs in the entryway and I moved it in here. I wanted to keep the tables simple with only adding candle holders because one of my favorite things in a home are lighted candles. They make a space cozy, especially in a bedroom. I found the shorter ones last year at HomeGoods and this year I found the taller ones. I found a set of these gorgeous curtain holdback hooks on Amazon and I'll leave a link to them in my description box. You guys are not going to believe me when I tell you they were only $15. They're so beautiful and very affordable to give any room an instant glam update. I didn't know whether to place them vertical or horizontal because they could be placed either way, but I ended up placing them horizontal. The only thing that I didn't like is that they sent gold screws with this set, so I'll have to switch those out when I get the screws from Home Depot. This painting was a HomeGoods find and I was super excited to find it because of the silver frame around it. It was $100 and I was going to paint one, but the frame sold me and I had to have it. This painting is so beautiful, you guys. I love how it ties all the grays of the room together. I will be painting one for the guest bathroom, so let me know if you want to see that. This throw blanket is from Z Gallery and it's really cozy. Right now it's mainly a bed accessory because of the weather, but I still love it. This is one of my favorite mirrors in the house. It used to be over the entryway table when we used to live in an apartment and it always brought a smile to my face. The details are absolutely beautiful in every way and the mirror is from HomeGoods. Adding a large mirror to a room will help open up the space and make it seem larger. They're beautiful and you can find them just about anywhere for a great price. In this corner here, I have a basket filled with a throw blanket and extra pillows. I love thick comforters, but since it's hot right now, I bought this beautiful herringbone pattern quilt from HomeGoods and a cooler temperature comforter in a light gray color. All of the decorative pillows I have here are from HomeGoods. I really like adding a lot of decorative pillows to a bed because I feel like I'm in a store and personally it makes me really happy to look at. I like mixing different prints and shaped pillows to create a look like this. These are the prettiest table lamps I have ever seen so far. I bought the gold version of them for my bedroom 3 years ago and I'll insert a clip in here so you can see the ones I have. Then I saw these in silver, so I bought them for my daughter's room, and then I found another set so I gifted them to my mom since she also loved them. They're very heavy and such great quality. The candle holders are so pretty in here and they're a dupe for the ones from Z Gallery, so if you find them at HomeGoods, I would highly suggest picking them up. All of my curtain rods I have downstairs are the same as this one I have here. I'll leave a link to it in my description box if you're interested. They're very stunning. They give an elegant and glamorous look to any room. The curtains are from Home Goods. They came in a 4-pack for only $40, which was such a total score being that they're 96 inches in length. Another great tip that I can give you is raising the curtain rods almost to the ceiling to make the room look larger and more grand. I'll leave a link to this chandelier in my description box as well. This is the exact same one I have in the nursery. It's perfect to update any room on a budget for a timeless piece. I've been eyeing this bed tray for a while now, so I finally went ahead and purchased it. It's from Z Gallery and I really like the chrome details on it. This tray actually folds down to be an actual tray when I don't want it to be a bed tray. They have other color options like beige, charcoal gray, royal blue, and white with gold legs. That one is really pretty. If I had a gold room, I would definitely go with that one. One of the things I was super excited to add to this room are my smart blinds. I have them all throughout the windows downstairs and I absolutely love them. They're so convenient and as you can see, they open and close with my phone. I have a video all about them that I just posted, so if you're interested in them, I'll leave the link to that video in the description box. This concludes the bedroom makeover. I really hope you guys enjoyed and liked how everything turned out. Give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more room makeovers. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell so you can be notified when I upload my next video. Thank you so much for watching and I'll talk to y'all very soon. Take care.